Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a dieting maze with no way out, and it seems like you've tested all the way and still not seeing results? Well, understanding calorie deficit might help achieve your goal of burning unwanted body fats. Let's discover together the basics of calorie deficit. Calorie deficit is a helpful tool for shedding those extra pounds. As the name suggests, it simply means consuming fewer calories than your body burns. However, you might be wondering why you're not shedding pounds even though you're eating tiny food portions. Well, it could be those sneaky high-calorie treats like chocolates and milkshakes messing things up. They make your calorie intake exceed what you burn, restricting you to have a calorie deficit, and losing weight becomes a real challenge. It's important to take note that food choices need to be right to boost your calorie deficit. For now, it might be a bit confusing, but don't worry, we'll dive right into it in this video. When we say calorie deficit will become your new best friend in your weight loss journey, we mean it, so let's discuss the science behind it, shall we? Maintenance calories is important to consider before undergoing a calorie deficit. This is the amount of energy your body needs to sustain daily activities. Various factors, including your age, weight, height, gender, and activity level, can influence the amount of your maintenance calories. To calculate your maintenance calories, you need to calculate your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, first. Once you've figured out your BMR, factor in your level of activity by multiplying it by the activity factor to accommodate the additional energy required for physical activities. If you spend a lot of time at the computer with minimal exercise, you may have a sedentary lifestyle. Those who engage in light activities like brisk walking 3 to 5 days a week fall into the moderate lifestyle category. Individuals involved in weightlifting and high-intensity training are likely to have a very active lifestyle. You can pause the video and check out the table for reference. Now that you have a full grasp of the concept of calorie deficit, let's break it down with an example. Say your body needs 2,000 calories a day to maintain your current weight. To create a calorie deficit, you might aim for a daily intake of 1,500 calories. You might be thinking that a 500 calorie deficit is just a small amount, but if maintained for a week, it means you're losing 3,500 calories per week, equivalent to 1 pound of weight loss. But wait, take note that calorie deficit should be implemented with caution. Continuous extreme caloric restriction, such as an intake of 1,000 calories or fewer per day, limits the acquisition of a broad spectrum of nutrients by the body, which can result in muscle loss, fatigue and weakness, bone health concerns, and impaired immune function. It's like your body is sacrificing muscle gains for its energy needs. That's why it's still crucial to strike a balance and ensure you're still meeting your body's nutritional needs while undergoing a calorie deficit. Now, let's incorporate this weight loss technique in your everyday lifestyle. Step 1. Determine your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. It represents the calories your body needs at rest. It's like the energy your body requires just to keep the lights on when you're not doing anything. You can follow the calculation guide discussed earlier. For a more accurate result, you can use online calculators, or better yet, consult a medical and fitness professional to compute the estimate. Step 2. Once you already know your daily caloric needs, factor in your physical activity using the total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE, formula. Your TDEE accounts for the calories you burn through activities like walking, working out, or dancing like nobody's watching. By factoring in your TDE, you're getting a more accurate picture of the calories your body needs on an active day. Step 3. Set a calorie intake goal by creating a moderate deficit. We're talking about reducing your daily calorie intake by 300 to 500 calories. This is like finding that sweet spot where weight loss becomes a sustainable journey. Before you dive into that calorie deficit, I've got a few extra health tips for you. Remember, patience is key. Sustainable weight loss takes time. Aim for gradual progress rather than quick fixes. Celebrate small victories along the way, and don't be too hard on yourself if things don't go perfectly every day. Understanding the types of calories you consume is crucial. Focus on a balanced diet that includes proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Each macronutrient plays a unique role in supporting your body's functions. It's essential to consider your unique circumstances. Individuals with underlying medical conditions may find that a simple calorie deficit isn't the sole answer, or may need to approach it with caution. Medical conditions can affect metabolism, nutrient absorption, and overall health, making personalized guidance vital. It is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns about how a calorie deficit might impact your health. They can provide personalized advice considering your specific medical history and needs. Are you ready to kick those extra calories to the curb? Let's keep this interactive. Comment on what other videos you'd like to see. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and hit that notification bell so you can join us on this exciting journey to a healthier, happier you.